What is going on, world? You are tuned in to the Saudi Experience. Woo! That's how I feel today. We are living in extraordinary times, scary times, unsettling times, uneasy times. So I'll be honest, past couple days, I was in fear mode, man. I felt that fear. And when you feel that fear, you become paralyzed in a sense. You start to not think rationally. You start to want to control, And for the past couple of days, I'm well aware that I must feel that fear. I must get honest with that fear. I can't deny that fear not there. Because then I'm going to reach outside of myself and I'm going to start to, utilize and look at scenarios in the wrong way. So I had to feel that fear. And then I woke up today and I'm recentered. I woke up today and I'm grateful because now I see the opportunity that's actually in front of everybody. Yeah, these are scary times. Yeah, this is something that the world has never seen. Okay? But now more than ever, we need to find that faith. We need to find that gratitude. Why faith? Because fear and faith, they don't go hand in hand. So we got to choose one or the other. Everybody's fearful. That's a fact. Feel it. I've talked about it before. Feel it. Own it. Don't try to deny it. When you try to deny it, you're just covering it up and you're going to be an eternal mess. Feel the fear. Ah! Woo! That shit's scary. Feel it. And then find the gratitude and have faith that, all right, we're dealt with this because now we have an opportunity. Let's look at these opportunities. Everything's slowed down, okay? Because we're out here in a rat race daily, grinding, missing so many of the beautiful things. We're missing so many of the beautiful things. So now we're forced to sit with ourselves. We're forced to sit with our family. We're forced now to be uncomfortable because technology and everything in this world, man, we have been spoiled. We have been taking shit for granted. All right. So there's the beauty of it. Number one is you get to slow down and appreciate actually the beautiful scenario and the beautiful surroundings that are around you. All right. Now we have this time to ourselves. We have this opportunity where we get to really start to build. We get to read. We get to really take our time and cook our food. We get to put more time into our workouts. We get to put more time into everything and fuel ourselves. So when everything gets lifted off, because the world will go back to normal. It will go back to normal. And guess what? It may never be the same exact world. And that's okay too, because we're human beings and we are residual and we'll make the adjustment, and whatever they present on the path to what they present, we'll make the adjustment and we'll make it work and we will succeed. As long as we do not let them instill that fear within ourselves, steal our hearts, steal our soul, we are here and going to become stronger than we've ever become before, because we're going to learn to slow down, give ourselves that internal love, give ourselves that internal peace that we need, so we can think clear. We got to get out of fear mode and get up in that faith mode, recreate and bring out that love mode and share that with our neighbors. Because guess what? Everybody's afraid. My mom's afraid. My dad's afraid. Everybody out here is afraid. So let's get our shit right. Let's get our mind. Let's get our heart. Let's get our soul. Let's take action. Let's take action and get ourselves stronger than ever, mentally, spiritually, physically. So as we can start to go out there and give it away, we got something greater to give away than we had to give away before. All right? This is a time of opportunity, people. This is a time to become that greatest version of yourself ever. This is a time for growth. Every life encounter that I have where I've been down and out, I always come back polished and stronger. Every time I've been crippled from fear, I always come back with more faith and more focused and more determination. Love, faith, give it away. You tuned into the Saudi Experience. I love you all. And through this time, I'm going to be giving myself love like I've never given myself before. The time is now. Gratitude is an attitude. Love first. You tuned into the Saudi Experience. Be the best